A call came rolling in vertical bar, just another poem of the times. At the first sign of the blowtorch across the flaming cutlass, the troublesome vice came rolling back at us and calling us to attention with a door knock. But someone from the new clan had already gone in and changed the code for the chub lock. Yes, that. The lock that was hanging on the wall like a picture frame on the money can hink again. Can you not see the boxed-in door frame? Yes, my good friend, there it is. In front of the house marshal who had refused to obey the deport call and was seen sitting in a secure hall at the clubhouse over there. Stayed put a bit too long in the seating chair. You know, yes, they had to drag him out of there, sword in hand, surrounded by one too many scouts of theirs. There wasn't going to be any more business as usual over there. No? No. So said Mr. Personality to the little blues gal who was putting on a steamy little show at the outpost event. Somebody had to go and renegotiate a fresh deal with the general, he meant. Well, so said the messages she was sent at the hand of a man who was tagged as a criminal. But he wasn't any such puffed-up pushover steel pad, as they had thought when they told her that. No, not like the real pad man who I'm here pointing the blame finger at. That's the same one who was supposed to use the position he was given to scour the pots and pans to a shiny clean as a tool to put a stall on the loathing call in the evening. But he has not done anything about it yet, believe me, not him. Surely such situational arrangements cannot remain till another day's end. Well, not if the status quo is to be maintained, said the frank chieftain of an angry peaceman over there nearer to Spain Town than Linstead Square. But beware, that was not the way things were going to go out of there. At least not yet, not as it was to be seen through the eyes of the traditional linemen leaning in. Those who were there firing off their bubbles and steaming hot about what they should or should not have gotten get, coming to them from the pen of the regimental government and into their deep pockets. But they had not gotten it yet, because we too would have gotten sober one day and decided to go over and play. Well, no, not really to play, but to join in on the washed-up bath night that very evening, alright? Yes, the street parade that the commander-in-chief had paid for and sent us out there to bathe in is what I mean, under the moonlight event even. He was trying to get us to make some noise, you know, while washing our garments in the ancestors' blood to white, Hugo, and getting us to come back clean. See what I mean? Yes. Well, good night, Dean. So long, Jean, said Miss Dell to him. And now the poet has spoken. Over to you to like, share, and comment. We would certainly appreciate it if you would subscribe and follow us somewhere too. Thank you. Tilda.